Oh my god, work follows everywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today guys, sorry hindi ako nag-upload ng vlogs na super busy ang lola mo sa work. So today, mag-vacation kami, short quick trip. So punta kami sa mountain snowball. Kasi mainit na ngayon sa Arizona. So punta muna kami sa taas ng bundok. And then mag-ride kami ng gondola. So ipapakita namin sa inyo kung malamig pa ba doon or may snow pa ba. We'll see. Snowball, so we'll see. Here we are.
Scenic gondola.
Yep. Okay, so hinahanap na lang namin kung saan kami pwedeng mag-park. And so hinahanap na lang namin yung parking spot. And then ang gagawin namin ngayon is mag-ride tayo ng gondola. There you go. There you go.
Oh, this is where
we are. So, mag-park muna tayo. And so, we officially arrived at the snowball. So, yan. So, lalakad na kami agad sa taas. And then, mag-check-in.
You guys from the valley? Yeah. So from winter we go from like 110 employees just in lift ops, and then in the summer it's just 15.
Oh.
So it's hard to get a job, but like if you've been here a couple of years.
You kind of remind me of Zac Efron.
Zac Efron?
Yeah.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
Enjoy, guys.
Okay, so here we go, guys. There we go.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Honeymoon. Thank you, baby.
Oh, baby.
Happy birthday. This will be cool on winter day too.
Yeah.
Up in the mountain. It's a video. So, ayan guys. Paakyat tayo ng bundok. Pupunta tayo dun sa tuktok and then pabalik. Gwapo ng asawa ko. So, gwapo! Ayan. So, ang tapang-tapang kong tumapanig. Pag ano ko sa dinikod ko, paglingon ko, hello! Ang taas na natin.
Hello, Snowball!
Bigla ako natakot. Hi, baby!
Kamusta, Snowball and baby? Mabuti.
Salamat.
Salamat, pangalan pa.
And so, tayo ay mag-nature tripping. So, sabi ng asawa ko, balik kami dito pag may snow. Is that snow? Look it. There. Looks like it, isn't it?
Maybe, or maybe.
I think it's snow. I think so. Maybe.
The temperature here is a lot higher. Or lower.
Oh my God! So, kayo na po ang humusga. Ayan. Mataas na po tayo. So, mukha lang siya hindi mataas, pero in person, ang taas. Ayan. So, ang taas-taas na po natin. At yung puwit ko, umiikot na. Oh my gosh. Umiikot na po yung puwit ko. Oh! Ay, grabe. Ang lamig dito sa taas. But we're not wearing the right shoes though.
As long as they don't slide.
Do you still want to go up?
No, we're not usually used to being at this altitude.
I know. I'm running out of breath.
Elevation, I guess, not altitude.
Sige, diyan ka. Ako muna ako dito. Okay guys, nalipad ko! And so bumaba na kami. Ang bilis nung initial na pagbaba. Natakot ako. Siya chill lang, chill.
Chill lang, mabuti. Paalam po.
Ah!
Mabuti, paalam po!
So ayan guys, pababa na tayo. Ang lakas ng hangin. Kaya medyo umupo na ako. Nakatayo ako kanina eh. Hindi kinain ng lola mo. Ayan, so doon sa pinakatok-tok, malakas yung hangin. Tapos nung bago kami bumaba, mas lumamig pa siya. So yun, nag-jacket na ako. So pabalik na tayo dito sa mismong base ng gondola.
Oo. Almost back po.
Yes.
So close po.
Ayan, so tingnan namin kung meron kami magugustuhan ditong kainan din. Ayan guys, so nakabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Hindi ko na na-picturean kanina or na video. So order kami ng pagkain. And online, so order kami ng bowls. And then after 30 minutes, nakalagay dun sa app na ready for pickup na. And unfortunately, nung i-pick up na ng asawa ko, sinabi nila na wala pa silang rice. So, wala pa silang rice and salad. So, out of stock sila. Hindi nila napansin. So, either pina-order kami, either umorder kami ng bago or i-refund na lang. Sabi namin, order na lang kami kasi nagugutom na kami. Tsaka, ayaw namin kumain ng fast food. Ganyan. And then, nung nilabas na yung, nung hinihintay na namin ulit yung panibago namin yung order, lumabas yung assistant manager. So, is she an assistant manager? So, nag-sorry siya. Sabi niya, hindi nila napansin, na-overlook nila. Kasi nga, na online order, ganyan-ganyan. So, sabi niya, parang nag-apologize siya, tapos sabi niya, may gusto pa ba kayong other drinks or anything that I can get you. So sabi namin, water lang. So hindi mo kami na nagreklamo. wala lang nag-approach sa amin. Kasi nga, hindi nila napansin. So, nung nilabas na nila yung food, yung assistant manager mismo yung naglabas. So, sabi niya, nag-sorry siya. And then sabi niya na i-comp na nga lang nila yon, ibig sabihin, hindi na nila pababayaran. So, babalik yung binayad namin through credit card in a few days. Sabi namin, hindi naman na kailangan. Char! So, sabi namin, no need. We can just go ahead and pay for it. It's fine. And then sabi niya, no, kasi it's unacceptable. So, ganun dito sa America, guys. Pag alam nilang fault nila, libre na. So, nakalibre ko na pagkain. Free food! ayan siya. Ayan yung mountain coaster. Mukha naman siyang walang queue. So, let's see. Oh my gosh! Okay guys, I'm getting pretty scared. So it's about to go now. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. What? What, baby? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Thank you. Hi. Help. I'm too short. There you go. Thank you. So hi guys, good morning. Kumain na kami kanina ng IHOP for breakfast and then nag-check out na kami. So now, drive na kami pabalik. Kasama yung buhok ko, diba? So, papunta kami ngayon, drive kami pauwi from Flagstaff and then daan kami ng Sedona and then home. Wala na ako sa wisyo. And guys, so yun lang aming vlog for today. So hopefully, nagustuhan nyo itong aming quick vlog. Just to celebrate my husband's birthday. So, what's my answer? I forgot! So please don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time we upload a new vlog. So, till next time guys!
Bye!
Bye!